Hello, welcome again. We are solving general ability test of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 91 is which of the following statements are correct? 1. British trade surplus with India in 19th century meant that the value of British export to India was much higher than the value of British import from India. 2. India played a crucial role in the late 19th century world economy by helping Britain balance its deficits. 3. Britain grew opium in India and exported it to China, and therefore for a while after the 1820s opium became India's single largest export. 4. The 19th century saw export of Indian raw material decline and that of manufactured goods increase. Select the answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 and 4 only, option C 1, 2, 3 and 4, and option D 1, 2 and 3 only. So here last statement is incorrect and other three are correct, so answer is D. So taking one by one all the statements. First statement, British trade surplus with India in the 19th century meant that the value of British exports to India was much higher than the value of British imports from India. So that is correct. So a British trade surplus with India in 19th century means the value of British export to India was greater than the value of British imports from India. This indicates that more goods were flowing from Britain to India than the other way around. So this is the explanation of first statement. So now we'll check the second statement. The first statement is correct. Second statement is India played a crucial role in late 19th century world economy by helping Britain balance its deficit. So that is also correct. So explanation is India played a significant role in 19th century world economy primarily as a key resource supplier for British Empire. India's trade surplus helped Britain balance its deficit with other regions and facilitated the payment of home charges. Indian exports of raw material and goods and food grains as well as remittances and interest payment contributed to the British Empire's global economic dominance. So second statement is correct. Third statement is about opium. Third statement is Britain grew opium in India and exported it to China, and therefore for a while after 1820s opium became India's single largest export. So opium trade, explanation is opium trade. Britain grew opium in India and exported it to China. This trade was highly profitable for the British East India Company. After the 1820s, opium became India's single largest export, significantly contributing to British economy. Last one is not correct, and last statement is the 19th century saw export of Indian raw material decline and that of manufactured goods increase. So that is not correct. Explanation is in 19th century India increasingly became a supplier of raw material to Britain and other industrializing nations. This shift occurred as British policies encouraged the cultivation of commercial crops like cotton, jute, indigo, and opium, which were needed for British manufacturing. Simultaneously, the export of Indian manufactured goods, particularly textile, declined. So answer is option D. First three statements are correct and fourth is not correct. So answer is D.